Iran launches missile barrage at Israel following U.S. strikes on nuclear sites. By Trey Yingst, reporting from Tel Aviv. Date: 22 June 2025. Source: Fox News. Field reporting by Trey Yingst. In a dramatic escalation of Middle Eastern tensions, Iran has launched a significant missile attack on Israel in retaliation for a recent American strike on its nuclear facilities. The development marks a potentially historic flashpoint in the region, with both direct US and Israeli involvement now confirmed in military action against Iran. US strikes ignite the fire. On 21 June, the United States conducted coordinated airstrikes targeting three major Iranian nuclear installations: Fordo, Natanz, and Isfahan. These sites, long suspected of being central to Iran's controversial nuclear program, were struck with precision-guided munitions and bunker-buster bombs. U.S. President Joe Biden described the strikes as decisive and necessary to ensure regional and global security. The Pentagon confirmed that stealth B-2 bombers and submarine-launched Tomahawk cruise missiles were used in the operation. The attack came shortly after Israel shared intelligence about Iran nearing weapons-grade enrichment levels. Iran's immediate response: missile barrage. Less than 24 ghante later, Iran retaliated. In the early hours of 22 June, more than 300 missiles and drones were launched toward Israel from multiple Iranian territories. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, declared the barrage a direct response to American and Zionist aggression. Air raid sirens sounded across Israel, including Tel Aviv, Haifa, Beersheba, and Jerusalem. The Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow missile systems were activated immediately. Israeli officials stated that around 50% of the projectiles were intercepted, while some did manage to strike near civilian areas. Initial reports indicate multiple injuries and infrastructure damage in southern Israel. At least 2 buildings in Ashkelon were hit, and minor fires were reported near Tel Aviv's Ben Gurion Airport. Live from the war zone, Trey Yingst reports. Fox News correspondent Trey Yingst, reporting live from Tel Aviv, captured the tense moments as sirens blared and explosions echoed throughout the city. "We were on the street when the warning sirens went off. People were rushing to shelters," Yingst reported. "You could hear the Iron Dome launching interceptors just above our heads. This is the most serious escalation we've seen in years." In a now viral clip, Yingst was seen taking shelter with local residents as a missile impact rattled buildings nearby. His continued on-the-ground coverage has provided global audiences a first-hand look into the fast-moving conflict. Israeli reaction and countermeasures. The Israel Defense Forces, IDF, immediately launched counter-operations, striking missile launchers and drone bases in western Iran using long-range air power. According to IDF spokesman Daniel Hagari, Israel is prepared for a prolonged operation and has already eliminated several high-ranking IRGC commanders involved in this attack. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu convened the Security Cabinet, declaring, "We are defending our sovereignty and our people. Any enemy who threatens Israel will face the full force of our military." Broader escalation risk. This series of events has drawn global concern, with fears of a wider regional war rising. Hezbollah has increased activity along the Lebanese border. Israeli forces are on high alert in the north. Yemen's Houthi rebels, aligned with Iran, have threatened to target U.S. naval assets in the Red Sea. Iraqi Shia militias fired rockets at U.S. bases in Baghdad and Erbil, suggesting coordinated Iranian proxy responses. American forces in the region have also been placed on full alert, with additional naval assets diverted to the Persian Gulf. The USS Gerald R. Ford carrier strike group is now operating off the coast of Oman, ready to respond to further Iranian escalations. Global reactions. World leaders have reacted with alarm and calls for the escalation. The United Nations Security Council held an emergency session, urging restraint from all parties. France and Germany have appealed to Iran to avoid further attacks and called for diplomatic talks. China warned that the situation could spiral out of control and urged the US and Israel to halt provocative actions. Despite these pleas, Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei vowed in a televised address, "We will not forgive or forget. Any nation that strikes our homeland will face divine justice." Strategic implications. Analysts suggest this escalation could have several long-term consequences. Iran's nuclear timeline. The US strike has significantly set back Iran's enrichment capability, but also removed any diplomatic ambiguity from Iran's military response. Israel's military readiness. Israel demonstrated strong defensive capabilities, but the sheer scale of Iran's missile volley underscores the growing power of Tehran's arsenal. Global oil markets. Oil prices have surged above $110 per barrel, with tankers now avoiding the Strait of Hormuz amid fears of blockade or naval warfare. US in the Middle East. This conflict marks one of the most direct US-Iran military confrontations in decades, potentially pulling Washington deeper into regional conflict during a US election year. What's next? There's widespread concern that the situation could escalate into a full-scale war. Israel has called up 120,000 reservists, and Iran has moved several elite military divisions closer to its western border. Diplomatic efforts are underway, but the road to the escalation appears steep. Sources suggest back-channel communications between Qatar, Oman, and Turkey are attempting to broker a ceasefire, but success remains uncertain. Conclusion. As missiles fly and rhetoric escalates, the region stands on the brink. With thousands now sheltering in bunkers and families across Iran and Israel bracing for more, one thing is certain, the Middle East has entered one of its most dangerous chapters in recent history. End of report. Word count, approximately 1000. Let me know if you want this in Urdu, a shorter version, or formatted for social media, Twitter, Instagram captions, etc.